everyone. I hope you all are safe and staying at home in this lockdown. I do know that you people are quite bored. So to get rid of boring time, let's start the studies. So as it is our first session of English class 9th today, so before starting the session, let me give you the introduction of class 9th English syllabus. Class 9th English syllabus is divided into two books. First book, that is Beehive, and second book, that is Moments. So today we are going to study Beehive book chapter number 1, that is The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov. Before starting the chapter, let me tell you the central idea, like what the story is all about. So the story is all about the future. It is set in the future, that is 2157th year. In this year, how the education system will work. Like if you compare of today's scenario, today's time, how do you study? Okay, you go to school to study, you go to tuition classes, you go to the teacher, you study from the teacher, you have a book, printed book, which you turn up the pages and learn and mug it up and etc. But what will happen, how the education system will work in this time, all these things will be eradicated. Like you go to school, in 2157 there will be no buildings as a school. Like you people study with the real books, the printed books, in this 2157 there will be no real books. Like you people study from the teacher, there will be no human as teacher in 2157. भाई पढ़ेंगे भी कैसे? न school, न teacher, न book, तो कैसे पढ़ाई होगी? This is the biggest question of this chapter. The answer is really very simple. Everything will be technical. All the books will be available in the computers, like they would be studying with the online classes, they would be studying with the visual classes, maybe they would be having mechanical teacher or the robotic teacher. Means everything will be computerized, everything will be technical, there will be no printed books. So this was all about the central idea of the chapter. So let's start the chapter. The chapter is divided into 10 points, so we'll study point wise. Let's start the first point. What the first point says, that there are basically two characters in the chapter. First, that is Margie, who is 11 years old. Second, that is Tommy, who is 13 years old. One thing you need to remember in the whole chapter, that this story is running in the year 2157. Bhulna nahi hai, just need to remember that this story is running in the year 2157. So in the year 2157, these two characters are introduced. So Margie, on 17th May 2157, she wrote a diary, and on that diary she had given the statement that is, today Tommy found a real book. What is the meaning of real book? Okay, what does it refer to? As I told you previously, that real books are the books which are printed on paper, like by which you study nowadays. Okay, so it was quite strange for them to find a real book, to see the real book, the book which is printed on the paper. Why? Because they had a habit to study with the computerized book. So finally, as they found a real book, they just turned the pages, and after turning the pages, they noticed that this book was completely yellowish in color and it was crinkled. What is the meaning of crinkled? Crinkled means the folds and the lines which are found in the pages. जो book पुरानी हो जाती है, अजीब सी दिखने लगती है, yellowish, that is crinkled. So it proved that this book was very old, and finally, after noticing the book, they came into the conclusion that the words which are written in the book, they are totally still, they are not at all moving. Why they are thinking this? Why they came up to in this conclusion? Because they had a habit to study in the computerized book. Like in computerized book, when you use the mouse, when you scroll, the words start moving, the screen start moving, which is not at all possible in the real book. So this was the explanation of the first point. Let's start the second. The second point says, after noticing the real book, after watching the crinkly areas of the book, finally Tommy came to the conclusion and he told that it is totally a waste. He found it totally as a waste. Why? Again he has done the comparison between a real book and a computerized book. Generally what happens, people throw the real book away after reading it. But if you talk of the computerized book, millions of books can be saved for a long period of time. That's why he says that this book of paper is totally a waste. And while noticing all these books, while noticing this book, finally Margie asked about the topic of the book to the Tommy, and she was so surprised after hearing the answer that the topic of the book was school, as this word school was totally unknown for them because they had never gone to school. Their school was in their home, in their house. So finally, this was the explanation of the second point. Let's switch over to the third one. Third point says that as Margie heard the topic of the book, that is school, she was so much surprised. And why she was surprised? Because the basic reason was she hated school. Why she hated school? Before giving you the explanation, let me give you the description of the school of Margie. In this future scenario, that is 2157, according to the chapter, Margie had a small room which was her school, where the mechanical teacher used to teach individually to a particular child. So as she was having a mechanical teacher, she was totally irritated with the mechanical teacher of geography. Why? Because this mechanical teacher of geography used to give her test after test continuously, and she used to do worse and worse in the test. By this, she got depressed and she started hating the school. And after watching the progress report of her child, the mother of Margie, named as Mrs. Jones, she was also depressed, and finally she decided to send mechanical teacher for the county inspector. What is county inspector? The county inspector is a person who repairs the mechanical teacher. So this was the explanation of the third point. Let us start the fourth. The fourth point says, as Mrs. Jones, the mother of Margie, has sent the mechanical teacher to the county inspector, finally the county inspector came, and he was very short-heighted with a red face, and he was having tools of dials and wires in his hand. So as he looked at a very young girl, that is Margie, he smiled at her and he gave an apple to her, and finally he took the teacher apart. As the teacher was taken apart, who was very happy? Margie. She thought that this mechanical teacher is never going to return back. Like you people, जब class से teacher चला जाता है तो क्या मजा आता है आप लोग को? Similarly, it happens with Margie. But ये खुशी ना समाई. After an hour, the teacher was totally repaired, and she was totally irritated with the black, large and ugly screen of the mechanical teacher. Although this was not the reason she hated the school, the reason was entirely different. She hated the school. Why? Because she hated the slot which was there in the mechanical teacher to fulfill the homework and the test. And they had to give the test in the punch code. And as the test was over, the mechanical teacher used to calculate the answers within a seconds, within a time. So this was the explanation of the fourth point. Let's start the fifth. So the fifth point says, as the mechanical teacher was repaired by the county inspector, it was brought up in the house, and finally county inspector said to the mother of Margie, that is Mrs. Jones, that it was not at all the fault of Margie, it was the fault of mechanical teacher. Why? Because there was a very high speed of mechanical teacher which a little girl Margie could not at all match to do the studies. Finally, the county inspector had slowed down the mechanical teacher speed to an average 10 years old little girl, and finally everything was repaired. But Margie was totally disappointed because she did not want to study again with the mechanical teacher. And although the conclusion was that the progress report of Margie was satisfactory, and this conclusion was given by the county inspector. Although this was the explanation of the fifth point, now let us switch over to the sixth. Sixth point says, like on one side everybody in the house was busy in making or getting it repaired, the mechanical teacher, but on the other hand Margie, who was quite disappointed, and deep in her heart she was continuously thinking about the topic of the real book, that is school. Okay, so finally she asked to Tommy that how is it possible like a person can write a book on the topic that is a school. Finally, the Tommy replied that it was the old kind of a school, hundreds and hundreds years ago, where there was a human being who used to teach the students. Means there was a human being as a teacher who used to ask the questions and who used to give the homework. And after hearing this, again Margie became so disappointed and surprised. So this was the explanation of sixth. Let's switch over to seventh point. In 7th point, there is a conversation between Margie and Tommy, as Margie was quite surprised as she came to know that there was a human being as a teacher. Finally, she asked to Tommy that how a man can be smart enough so that a man can teach to the students. And she also did not want any strangers to enter in her house to teach. But on the other hand, Tommy screamed with laughter after hearing this statement, and he explained that in the previous scenario, there was a particular building where all the students used to go. It was not a rule like teacher used to come in the house. The rule was all the students had to go to the particular building, and this particular building was known as schools. So in this school, all the students used to go together, they used to laugh together, they used to study together, and many of the students used to sit in a single classroom, and they were of same age and they used to study the same topic. So here ends the 7th one. Let's start the 8th topic. Now, in 8th point, there was continuous conversation was going on between Tommy and Margie, and suddenly a call came from the mother of Margie, that is Mrs. Jones. Why she called both of them? Because it was the time of their mechanical teaching. It was the time of computerized teaching. So finally, as the call came by her mother, both of them, Margie and Tommy, they went to their separate classrooms to study. In 9th point, as the order was given by Mrs. Jones to enter into the school, finally, Margie went to the school room which was next to her bedroom, and as she entered into the room, the mechanical teacher was waiting for her. Why he was waiting for her? Because it was the usual hour timing. School was always on the same time except Saturday and Sunday, and as she entered to the room, she sat on the chair, and as she sat on the chair, a screen was lit up by highlighting the topic of the chapter today, that was addition of the proper fraction. So it was the explanation of the 9th point. Let's switch over to the last point. In last point, although mechanical teacher was showing the addition of the proper fraction, but on the other hand, Margie, a little girl, just kept on continuously thinking about the topic, about that is the old school. She was continuously thinking that how in the old schools, lot of students used to come together, eat together, laugh together, make fun together, used to teach the teachers together, and although everything was representing in the screen, she did not think about it. She was continuously thinking about the old school. She thought that old school was the best. Why? Because she was thinking about the fun they had. So students, this was the end of the chapter. I hope you liked it, and I think that you should be the luckiest one, because you are the one who are coming to the school, enjoying the school time, making fun together, studying together, and helping each other together. As the chapter has been completed, so there are some questions which you have to attempt as homework, and you have to write the answers in the notebook, which will be checked very soon. Question number 1, how old are Margie and Tommy? Question number 2, differentiate between old schools and new schools. Question number 3, why was Margie doing badly in geography? Last question, write the summary of the chapter in your own words. I hope you all will attempt the answers with sincerity. Thank you.